Now we are going to continue the stanza 1 of Casuarina Tree written by Toru Dutt. In the first stanza, the poem begins with the description of the tree. All the stanzas contain 11 lines. We had seen already 5 lines. Next 6 lines we are going to see now. The giant wears the scarf and flowers are hung in crimson clusters, all the buffs among, whereon all day are gathered bird and bee, and off at night the garden overflows with one sweet song that seems to have no close, sung darkling from our tree while men repose. The first line, the giant wears the scarf and flowers are hung. What is the giant? The tree. The Casuarina tree is compared to the giant. Why it is compared to the giant? Because of the huge nature. What do you mean by giant? Huge form is called as giant. It contains crimson cluster. What do you mean crimson? Deep red color flowers are called as crimson. See? Yes. In crimson clusters, all the buffs among the flowers which are hung on the Casuarina tree looks like crimson clusters, red color clusters. What do you mean by clusters? Clusters means bunch of blood red color flowers are hung all among the buffs. What do you mean by buffs? Buffs means branches on the tree, whereon all day are gathered bird and bee. All the day the Casuarina tree is adored with the flowers, birds and bee. The poet says that the Casuarina tree is covered with creepers bearing red crimson flowers which appear as though the tree is wearing a colorful scarf. What is the colorful scarf? That crimson clusters are called as clustered scarf. See, the birds gathered. What do you mean by gathered? Assembled. Off means often. Repose is state of rest. Now we are going to the next line. Whereon all day are gathered bird and bee, and off at night the garden overflows. All off means often. Often at night the garden echoes with the sweet song of the birds which overflows the dark night in the poet's garden. There is no end to the song of the birds, with one sweet song that seems to have no close, no end. There is no end to the sweet song. Who is singing? The birds settling on the Casuarina tree at night. They are singing. Sung darkling from our tree. Sung darkling. What do you mean by darkling? Darkling means at the dark, growing dark is called as darkling. Sung darkling. At the evening time, all the birds will gather in the Casuarina tree, and they will at night time they will sing song. It overflows the garden. The poet says that there are crimson colored flowers on the branches of the tree. It looks as if the tree is wearing a crimson scarf. Birds and bees come in large number and they rest on the tree. At night everyone is asleep, but a lone bird keeps singing in the tree. The song seems endless. Now we are going to see the comprehensive questions of the Casuarina tree. Yes. What do you mean by giant? What do you mean by giant? A huge thing, a huge tree. Who is compared here to the giant? The Casuarina tree is compared to the giant. What do you mean by gallantly? Gallantly means bravely. Who gather all day? Birds and bees gathered all day. Describe the garden at night. During night, the garden overflows with the sweet song. What is mean by crimson cluster? Crimson flowers that are gathered on the buds of the casuarina tree is called as crimson clusters. Why is the scarf colorful? The scarf is colorful with the flowers of the casuarina tree. So what is the scarf here? The scarf is the creeper that climbs on the tree. This is what is the meaning of slumber? Slumber means sleeping. What is the meaning of slumber? Slumber means sleeping. Repose. What is the meaning of repose? It means state of rest. What is the color of the flowers? It is crimson red color. See the casuarina tree. The casuarina tree is very strong. The crimson colored flowers are on the branches which looks like a scarf on the tree. Birds and bees gather at night to take rest. At that time, the night time is overflows with the sweet song of the bird.